First, Deep tried to knock me out by mixing a pill in my drink. He couldn't change the evidence. Now he left the girl I doubt here and went to Shimla alone. Now this news that there was another murder in Shimla. What is Deep up to? Why Deep left in a hurry? I guess something very urgent came up. But what will you do now? How will you stay in this?
To die for love.
Where did he keep the evidence? Yes, Prithvi.
Sir, I've been calling you since yesterday. Why is your phone switched off? Where are you? Ma'am has committed yet another murder.
What?
Please come back soon, sir. Immediately.
Where is Tara?
I brought her home. But please come home, sir.
I must go to Shimla right now. I have to erase all the proof to save Tara.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I would have knocked on the door, but the door was already open. He fell asleep on the chair. Sir, wake up, sir. Sir, what happened, sir?
The proof is right here. My head. Why did Deep come here? How did I pass out? It must be Deep's doing. But why? The proof is here. I don't understand anything.
Sir, let's go to Shimla at once.
Shimla? But why?
Sir, another murder has been committed there. We have information that this is the work of the serial killer.
What?
Yes, sir.
Where can I search for him in such a big hotel? Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen my husband, Mr. Deep Rai Chand?
Yes, ma'am. He went back to Shimla on some very important business.
He went to Shimla?
Yes, ma'am.
Deep? Not a word to me. Nothing was said. He left me here and went to Shimla. What is going on? What happened there? That Deep left me all alone here. Please, dear God, I hope everything is fine.
The number you are trying to reach is currently unavailable. Please try again later.
Deep's phone is not connecting. We were here for our honeymoon together. I don't understand what's happening. How can he leave me alone here and go away?
First, Deep tried to knock me out by mixing a pill in my drink. He couldn't change the evidence. Now he left the girl I doubt here and went to Shimla alone. Now there's news that there was another murder in Shimla. What is Deep up to? Why Deep left in a hurry? I guess something very urgent came up. But what will you do now? How will you stay in this hotel alone? We are on our way back to Shimla. Come with us.
Look, I don't want to talk to you.
Hold on. Strange. Sometimes you get angry, sometimes you threaten, and sometimes scold. You seem to have many moods.
Threat? You are threatening me. When did I do that?
When? Really? You have forgotten already? Don't say that you don't know me. Anyway, come with us. We'll talk about the rest on the way. Come on.
Look, I don't want to go anywhere with you.
Then who will you go with, Deep? He left you and went. How will you stay in this hotel alone? Go and get your luggage. I'll change and come back. Go.
Why are you driving so fast? Please go slow. I am feeling scared.
Don't be scared, Mrs. Raichand. There is nothing to be scared about. As long as you are with me, you are safe. So don't worry and be relaxed. By the way, did Deep give you any reason as to why he left for Shimla all of a sudden?
There was some important work, so he had to leave.
So important that he left his new wife alone on honeymoon. And that too in an unknown city. And you know what is strange? He didn't even tell me.
Why would he tell you?
Hey, don't you know? He was having breakfast with me.
With you?
Yes. He made me drink juice and went back to Shimla. There was a murder in Shimla. Do you know anything about it?
See, please don't talk about murders with me. I don't like all that. And anyway, why are you telling me all this?
Well, you know, Kasol has changed a lot. When did you last come to Kasol?
This is the first time I have come to Kasol.
Really? For the first time? Are you telling the truth?
Why should I lie about that? I have come to Kasol with Deep for the first time on our honeymoon.
And for how long have you known Deep?
Years. It's not even been a month right now. It's just been 22 days since our very first meeting.
What? 22 days? Are you kidding me? You already got married within 22 days. When I look at you both, it seems as if you have known each other for 22 years.
What do you want to know?
I am sniffing out a clue. This is what the police dogs do. Do you remember this line?
Sniffing out stuff is for a police dog. Why are you doing it?
You said it.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Something is wrong. The husband and wife are playing a huge trick. Or this innocent look girl is actually controlled by Deep.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.